It's a celebration days. This week we made over 1700%. I made $170,000 on the this coin right here. I mentioned my last video, Kadena Network. We made over 1200%. Let's talk about the new coins today. Kadena, guys. Kadena, we made 85% profit. The share is traded the private list right here on December 20. We bought this coin for 72 cents and put a seller up here. Daily resistance $1.40. I made 85%, 8,500. But secret sauce come right here, days before. This is Kadena, and position the rank is 175. And the volume today in 24 hours is $20 million, guys. Pay attention to this. My soft pick this move right here. December 16, the volume of this coin was $5 million. Then soon after, the volume pumped to $29 million. Guys, that's what I'm looking for. Volume spike plus buyer power. Here we go. This is the pump combination. Coins are sharing the private list this week and made 1,700%. We talk about Perpetual Protocol, Kadena, Renewable Energy, Bitcoin SV, hiCOOLCATS. Guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. Also, we can trade for you. You're gonna make 25% return of investment per week. Let's talk about one more coin here, Perpetual Protocol. Let's see how it's done. My soft pick this move right here, Perpetual Protocol. And position the rank is 435, and the volume today is $32 million. That's a lot of money right here. My soft pick this move here before the pump on. There is a pre-pump in volume. December 19, the volume was 8.4 million. In December 20, the volume was $39 million. That is the pre-pump in volume I've been saying every single video, guys. So I shared this trade in the private list, Perpetual Protocol, right here on December 23. We bought this coin for 80 cents and put a seller up here. Daily resistance $1.40. We made 70%. I made $7,000. Guys, reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Happy New Year. That was a great year on trades. And remember, we can trade for you. And also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Now, let's go to Swing Trade Up to you so I can show you how many trades I already shared in the private list on the last 15 days. Tether, Star, Nina, Pocket Network, Moonriver, Kadena, Oasis, Trials Token, Perpetual Protocol. Guys, like I mentioned before, we are tracking 3,000 coins. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.